Hey friends, I'm Anam and today I'm going to dictate you Class 8 Science Chemical Effects of Electric Current. If you feel the video to be too fast, you can decrease the speed of the video. So let us start. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, most liquids that conduct electricity, most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of acids, bases and salts, or solutions of acids, bases and salts. Second, the passage of an electric current through a solution, the passage of an electric current through a solution causes chemical effects. Next, if you pass current through copper sulfate solution, if you pass current through copper sulfate solution, copper gets deposited on the plate. Copper gets deposited on the plate connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Next, the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. Electroplating. Question number 2. When the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. The magnetic needle shows deflection. Can you explain the reason? Can you explain the reason? Answer. The compass needle shows a deflection. The compass needle shows a deflection which concludes that current is flowing, through the wire. The circuit becomes complete as the free ends of the tester. The circuit becomes complete as the free ends of a tester inside the solution, are immersed inside the solution. So the solution is conducting solution. So the solution is conducting solution. Question number 3. Name three liquids which when tested in the manner shown, in figure 14.9 may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. Answer you can write first salt water, second lemon juice, third vegetable oil. Now we will start question 4. The bulb does not glow in the setup. The bulb does not glow in the setup shown in figure 14.10. List the possible reasons. Explain your answer. Now you can write the answer. Liquid may be non-conducting. In this case, the circuit is incomplete. The circuit is incomplete and the current does not pass through the liquid through the liquid. Now start question number 5. A tester is used to check the conduction of electricity. A tester is used to check conduction of electricity through two liquids. Labeled A and B. It is found that the bulb of the tester glows brightly for liquid A. While it glows very dimly for liquid B. You would conclude that. So now we will start question number 6. Does pure water conduct electricity? Does pure water conduct electricity? not, what can we do to make it conduct? If not, what can we do to make it conduct? Now you can write answer. Pure water does not conduct electricity. Pure water does not conduct electricity, as it does not contain any type of salt. As it does not contain any type of salt. We can add a small amount of common salt. We can add a small amount of common salt. Now question number 7. In case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, hoses, they shut off the main electrical supply. For the area. Explain why they do this. Explain why they do this. Answer. In case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, they shut off the main electrical supply. For the area because water sprayed from the hose might conduct electricity. Water sprayed from the hose might conduct electricity, which may come in contact with the electrical appliances. Which increases the chance of electricity passing through the wire. This may hurt the firemen. Now we will start question 8. A child staying in a coastal region tests the drinking water and also seawater with his tester. He finds that compass needle deflects more. deflects more in the case of seawater. In the case of seawater. Can you explain the reason? Can you explain the reason? The reason. Answer. The amount of dissolved salts present in the seawater, the amount of dissolved salts present in the seawater is more than that of the drinking water. Is more than that of the drinking water. So, seawater will be a better conductor. So, seawater will be a better conductor than drinking water. Than drinking water. Question number 9. Is it safe for the electrician? Is it safe for the electrician to carry out electrical repairs outdoors? Electrical repairs outdoors during heavy downpours. During heavy downpours. Explain. Explain. No, it is not safe to repair. Answer. No, it is not safe to repair electrical appliances outdoors. Electrical appliances outdoors during heavy downpours. During heavy downpours. Rainwater is composed of a certain percentage. Rainwater is composed of a certain percentage of dissolved salts, making it conductive. Of dissolved salts, making it conductive. This may cause electric shocks and harm the electrician. This may cause electric shocks and harm the electrician. Question 10. Paheli had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water. Paheli had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water. So she collected some rainwater in a clean glass. So she collected some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler and tested it using a tester To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reasons? What could be the reasons? Answer: rainwater is composed of certain percentage. Rainwater is composed of a certain percentage of dissolved salts, making it conductive. Of dissolved salts, making it conductive. This results in the deflection of compass. This results in the deflection of the compass. Question 11. Prepare a list of objects. Prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. Around you that are electroplated. Answer: cycle, car, jewelry, utensils, bars of windows, etc. Now we will start question 12. The process that you saw in activity 14.7 is used for the purification of copper. A thin plate of pure copper, and a thick rod of impure copper, are used as electrodes. Copper from the impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin plate. Copper plate. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal? Of the battery, and why? Answer: the thick rod of impure copper. The thick rod of the impure copper plate is to be attached to the positive terminal of the battery. The positive terminal of the battery, because when the electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, the copper sulfate solution, it gets dissociated into copper. It gets dissociated, dissociated into copper and sulfate. The free copper being positively charged, the free copper being positively charged gets drawn to the negative terminal, gets drawn to the negative terminal of the battery and gets deposited on it. As the battery and gets deposited on it. On the other hand, the loss of copper, on the other hand, the loss of copper from the solution is regained. From the solution is regained from the impure copper rod. From the impure copper rod, which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery, which is attached to the positive terminal of the battery or the battery. So here is the end of exercise. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe the channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.